Okay, guys, welcome to another edition or to another series of space mining. It's been a while. I talked about space mining since my last video, so I decided to give you guys an update on how far I've gone with space mining. All right, so you can see my current active hash power is over 20,000. Okay, and you can see I've had currently six payouts. Okay, I withdrew today. That was early hours of today. You can see all through. So I've made like 180, yeah, $161 USD, and the total invested presently is over $300. Okay, so that is it, guys. You can see this is still paying. Okay, and everything still seems really fine to me. Okay, but anyway, whatever you do, make sure is your own choice. All right, what I'm simply doing here is sharing my experience with you. This is no financial advice. I don't need you to take my words for it. Okay, this is simply what I do and what I experience while engaging on these things. All right, guys, so in case you've not registered with Space Mining, there is a link below this video. Just click on it and get registered. Space Mining will give you 100 gigahash to start with, and make sure you refer people to start to increase what your gigahash. So that is it. Have a great time. Bye.